Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Microsoft Teams installation has failed error pop up every system restart. Right-click Taskbar, Task Manager. Select Microsoft Teams. Click End Task. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Teams and click Uninstall. Right-click Start button. Type %appdata %. Open Microsoft folder. Delete Teams folder. Right-click Start button, Run. Program data %. Open Microsoft folder. If Teams folder exists, delete it. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Office. Delete string name, prevent installation from MSI. Click Yes to continue. Close and exit Registry Editor. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab. Select Microsoft Teams. Click Disable. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.